Have you ever planned to do something productive but ended up scrolling on your phone instead? You told yourself you would study, work, or focus on an important task, but somehow, watching short videos, checking notifications, or scrolling social media felt impossible to resist. You know these things waste time, yet your brain keeps choosing them. Why? The answer lies deep inside your brain's reward system. In this video, we will explore why your brain craves instant gratification, the neuroscience behind it, and how understanding this system can help you regain control over your focus and decisions. The brain's reward system. Your brain contains a powerful system designed to motivate behavior. Scientists call it the reward system. This system helped humans survive for thousands of years. Whenever our ancestors did something helpful for survival, like finding food, forming social bonds, or discovering new resources, the brain rewarded them with a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical, but its real job is to drive motivation and reward-seeking behavior. When dopamine is released, your brain learns something important. Do this again. This mechanism helped humans repeat behaviors that improved survival. Why instant rewards are so powerful. Your brain naturally prefers immediate rewards over delayed rewards. Psychologists call this phenomenon temporal discounting. This means the brain values rewards that happen now much more than rewards that happen later. For example, watching a video now feels more rewarding than finishing a project that may benefit you weeks later. Eating a sweet snack feels better than waiting months to see the results of a healthy diet. The brain simply responds more strongly to rewards it can receive instantly. This is not a weakness, it is a built-in survival strategy. For early humans, immediate opportunities like food or safety could disappear quickly, so the brain evolved to prioritize them. Modern technology exploits your brain. The problem is that modern technology has learned how to hijack this reward system. Apps, games, and social media platforms are designed to deliver constant small bursts of dopamine. Every notification, like, message, or short video triggers a tiny reward signal in your brain. Because the reward arrives instantly, your brain quickly learns to crave it. This creates a powerful habit loop. Cue, reward, repeat. The more often this loop happens, the stronger the neural pathways become. Over time, your brain begins to expect quick stimulation constantly. This makes slower activities like reading, studying, or deep thinking feel less exciting by comparison. Why long-term goals feel hard. Long-term goals work differently from instant rewards. Learning a skill, building a career, improving your health. These things require effort now, but rewards later. Your brain struggles with this because the reward is delayed and uncertain. Without immediate dopamine signals, motivation can quickly fade. That is why starting difficult or meaningful work often feels mentally uncomfortable. Your brain is asking, where is the reward? The good news, you can train your brain. Even though your brain loves instant gratification, it is also capable of change. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain can adapt to new habits and reward patterns. One powerful strategy is delayed gratification training. This means intentionally resisting small instant rewards and focusing on meaningful tasks. Over time, your brain begins to associate satisfaction with progress instead of quick stimulation. Another strategy is breaking big goals into smaller steps. Each small step provides a sense of progress, which triggers small dopamine rewards and keeps motivation alive. Finally, reducing distractions can help reset your brain's reward expectations. When constant stimulation disappears, your brain slowly becomes comfortable with deeper focus again. To summarize, your brain craves instant gratification because it evolved to seek immediate rewards that once helped humans survive. Dopamine, reward circuits, and attention systems all push you toward quick pleasure. In today's world, where instant stimulation is everywhere, this system can easily be exploited. But understanding how your brain works gives you the power to manage it. When you learn to delay rewards, build better habits, and protect your attention, you begin to train your brain for long-term success. Because the real power is not eliminating instant gratification completely. The real power is learning when to resist it and when to use it wisely. Subscribe for more videos about psychology, neuroscience, and the hidden science of the human brain.